Rise and grind, man. Back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. Got a quick video. 2012 INFINITI G37. All right, we got a leak, a coolant leak. Let me show you where it's coming from. It's from the heater hose connector right here. That's it. So we're gonna, that enough pop. It's leaking coolant. We're gonna go ahead and replace that. And all it is this here. Let's get it. So what we got to do here is get the old one out of there, get the clamps off, and put the new one on. End up taking off this shield here, battery cover, and I got the hose connectors off. Got the clamps off. Now what I'm gonna do to get that out of there is pretty much use my pliers and squeeze and break the plastic and let it fall out. Alright, we got them out. It's gonna be soft. It's already broken up. That heat will make it weak. Wish I had the metal one, but it's all I can find right now. Got it from AutoZone. Alright, we got that side on first. We'll go ahead and do the other one. Yeah, we in there. Changed out the other clamp. Fill it up, top it off, check for leaks, and you're good to go. Make sure you got the right coolant. It's blue. You can see INFINITI 2009 and up. Until next time, man, the Pull Up King.